Hi everyone, here we've got WIKO View 3 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and as you can see here we've got the battery, so let's enter. And right here we've got the battery percentage option, which is right now turned off. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see right next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery, which appears immediately. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to, just tap on the switcher again, but let me leave it like this because it's quite useful. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your WIKO View 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.